Namaste children. Welcome back to mathematics class. I hope you all are doing good. Children, in previous class we have started a new chapter. What is the name of that chapter?
Chapter 6 More about numbers 51 to 100.
So we have learned how to write numbers from 51 to 100, number names from 51 to 100. Right? In today's class we are going to learn numbers on abacus. Children, this is the figure of abacus. There are two sticks, one on left side and one on right side. Left side stick we call it as tens place and right side stick we call it as ones place. Right? We represent 10 as T and ones as O. Okay. So children, now we are going to learn how to count numbers on abacus using this abacus kit. This stick represents ones place and this stick represents tens place. I am going to add some beads in one stick. 1, you have to count along with me. 2, 3, 4, 5. So, how many beads are there in one stick? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 ones. Now, I am going to add beads on 10 stick. You have to count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many are there in tens place? 7. Here 7 and here 5 makes 75. Now let me take one more example. I am going to add beads for one stick. 1 ones, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones. How many ones are there in ones place? 7. Now I am going to add beads for tens place. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. So here 4 tens, here 7 ones. So we say it as 47. Children, there are already beads placed in one stick and 10 sticks. Shall we count how many beads are there in one stick? 1 ones, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones and 8 ones. There are 8 ones. Shall we count how many are there in 10 sticks? 1 10, 2 10, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens. So 8 tens, 8 ones makes 88. Now I am going to remove some beads here. Now shall we count once again? How many beads are there in ones place? 1 ones, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones. And in tens place, 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 tens. 4 tens makes 40. 5 ones makes 5. So total 45. Children, in page number 74, they have given us a question. Let us practice more on the abacus. Here they have given us abacus figure. This is in ones place and this stick is in tens place. Now let us count how many beads are there in ones place. 1 ones, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, 6 ones, 7 ones, 8 ones. And in tens stick, no bead, so it is 0. So the number is 8. Let us take second one. In one stick, let us count how many beads are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. And in 10 stick, only 1. So 1 tens make 10. And this is 4. It makes, so the number is 1, 4, 14. In the same way, complete this one. Children, in page number 75, see the abacus and write the correct number. They have already given us an example. So here, in one stick, there are 6 beads. And in 10 sticks, there are 2. So total 26. Now, let us see this one. In one stick, how many beads? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in tens, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens. So the number is 45. It is very easy. In the same way, complete the remaining problems. In page number 75, draw the beads on the abacus for the given number. They have already given us an example. The number is 33. 33. Now, first see the second digit, that is in, which is in ones place. How many are there? 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, see the first digit, which is in tens place. That is, we have to draw 3 beads in tens stick. 1, 2, 3. So, the number is 33. Let us take this one. 2, 7, 27. Here, 7, we have to, the second digit, 7, we have to draw 7 beads in one stick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 2 in 10 sticks. That is 2 ones, 1 10, 2 10. So the number is 27. 9. How many? Only 9. We have to draw 9 beads on ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And in 10 stick, 0. No beads. So the number is 0, 9, 9. In the same way, complete remaining sums. So children, now we are going to learn about skip counting. What is a skip counting? Yes, when we skip a number to count, we call it as skip counting. What is a skip counting? Yes, when we skip a number to count, we call it as skip counting. Let us see here. There are some numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. But what we are missing? We are missing numbers between 1 and 3, 3 and 5, 5 and 7, 7 and 9 and so on. What are those missing numbers? Let us see. After 1, 2. So we skip 2 here. After 2, 3. After 3, 4. We skip 4. 5. After 5, 6. We skip 6 here. After 6, 7. After 7, 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 and so on. Right. See. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and so on. All these are skipped numbers of 2. Now let us see skipped numbers of 5. Children, now see these numbers. We have skipped some numbers in between. Let us see them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We skipped 5 here. 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. All these are skipped numbers of 5. In the same way, we can write skipped numbers of 10. 10, 20, after 20, 30. All these are skipped numbers. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. All these are skipped numbers of 10. Children, now let us write skipped numbers of 2's. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 10, 12, 14 and so on. These are skipped numbers of 2. Now let us write skipped numbers of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and so on. So on means 45, 50, 55, 60. You can count more and more. Tens. Let us write skipped numbers of tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. All these are skipped numbers of tens.
Children, in page number 76, they have given us a table and we have to complete the missing numbers. 1 after 2, 2 after 3, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, in the same way, you have to complete the missing numbers from 1 to 100. Now see which number you have written. 2, 4, 6, 8. Which number? 12. These are skip countings of 2. What are these? These are skip countings of 2. After 12, which number you have written? 14. After 14, 16. After 16, 18. After 18, 20. Up to 100. You have to complete the missing numbers. What you have written, the same numbers you have to write. These are skip countings of 2. Children, in page number 80, they have given us worksheet. Let us read the first question. Draw the beads on the abacus for the given number. You already know how to do this. The question is 33. The number is 33. You have to draw the beads here. 3, 3, 33. 3 is in tens place and this 3 is in ones place. So, this 3 beads. 3. And this one 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. So, the number is 33. In the same way, complete these two. Now, write the number names. 89. What is the spelling of 80? E-I-G-H-T-Y. 80 and 9. So, you know how to write the number names. In the same way, complete the remaining number names. Write in ascending order. You know, write in descending order. Yes, you know how to do that. Write the number and the number names. 5 tens. What is 5 tens? 50. And 8 ones is 8. 58. Number name of 58 is F-I-F-T-Y. 50. E-I-G-H-T 8. Same way, complete this. 10 tens. What is 10 tens? 10 tens is 100. This is also 100. 10 tens is 100. Now 100. How do you write? 100. Now tell me which sign we are going to put. We are going to write equal to. 1, 10 and 2 ones. What is 1, 10 and 2 ones? 1, 10, that is 1, 10 means 10. 2 ones means 2, 12. 1, 10 and 1, 1. 1, 10 means 1, 10 and 1, 1, 11. 12 or 11. Which is greater here? 12 is greater number. 7 tens, 3, 1. That is 73. 3 tens, 3, 1. 33. So, which is the bigger number here? 73 or 33? 73. 73 is greater than 33. 7 tens and 3 1 is greater than 3 tens and 3 ones. 15. They have already given us direct number. 1, 10 and 5 ones. 1, 10 and 5 1 makes 15. So 15 is equal to 15.